Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a vlog of me glowing up before 2023. So we're actually about to go and get my nails done. My nails are looking a little crazy right now. They're very outgrown, so that needs to be done first. And I say we because I have a special guest with me. Aussie, he's getting a pedicure because he deserves it. So yeah, we're gonna get that done first, and we're actually in the parking lot now and we're running a little bit late, so let's go. So the nails are now done. How was your pedicure?
Amazing. I had some gnarly toes, so they were pulling out skin, but great. Feels great.
Superior, huh?
Superior.
Yeah. Next up on our maintenance day is a facial. I am breaking out on my forehead right here. It's so funny this morning. This is like off topic, but I said my breakout on my forehead literally looks like Hawaii. Kind of funny. I'm just gonna ask them not to do like crazy extractions because I feel like my breakout is like going away. These pimples are definitely a lot smaller. They were cystic before, so it's going away. Whatever I'm doing at home is working. I just want to really moisturize my skin because it's so cold outside. I don't know if this happens to you guys, but like the skin around my nose is like dry and it like feels like I cut it or something like that, and it just is bothering me so bad. So I'm hoping that they can like really hydrate my skin today. We're going to Dr. Barbara Sturm. We're actually here right now. Aussie's coming with me again. At first he was just gonna get a pedicure with me, but I was like, actually come and get a facial, because have you ever, you've gotten like a hydrofacial before, but nothing here, right?
Is that not all I'm getting right now?
No, they don't do hydrofacials here.
Oh.
Nope, it's gonna be a little different. They're gonna customize it to what you need.
What do I need?
I don't know.
What do you guys think I need?
I feel like your skin is great. Maybe just like hydration because it's cold outside.
Thank you.
So yeah, we're gonna go get our facials now. So let's go.
See you on the flip.
So dry. Literally the skin around my eyes are really dry too because I have bad allergies right now. Just need a lot of hydration. facial is done. My skin is so glowy and hydrated. It's exactly what I needed today. I'm a little inflamed on my forehead because she did extractions. I didn't really want extractions, but she thought that that would be best. So I don't know, I trust her opinion. How do you feel post-facial?
I feel refreshed and I feel clean. So awesome.
Yeah, we love that. Aussie's gonna drop me off at the hair salon right now, and I'm gonna get a trim, and I'll just have her do a blowout. You guys guessed it. Yep, shocking that I want a blowout. Maybe in 2023 I'll go back to like my curly hair era, but I just love blowouts so much. I just feel so like put together. Not saying that like curly hair doesn't mean like you're put together. I just feel good with the blowout. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. My hair feels so thick after you do it.
Good.
Yeah.
That's what I want.
Now we're gonna get some laser hair removal. I'm a little nervous because I know how painful it is. This is my 6th or 7th treatment that I've done. I started back in the like late spring, early summer of 2022. We're going into 2023 bald as a baby's bottom. Not bald. Smooth as a baby's bottom. Whatever they say. We're going into 2023 like that. Yeah, I go to Sev Laser in Uptown Dallas, and they are honestly the best. I kid you not. My appointment starts at 4:35, and I'm about to go in there. I am going to be out of there by 4:50. Maybe even sooner than that. Like, I kid you not. I do underarms and Brazilian. Takes me immediately 10 minutes every single time, and then, you know, of course I have to go to checkout, and that kind of takes a little bit. But guys, they are so quick, and that's what I love about Sev the most. If you have a Sev Laser in your area, I highly recommend going there if you're interested in starting your laser hair removal journey. I think in 2023 I want to go into my like leg area. I don't really know if I want to do like full legs. I also want to do my stomach as well. But anyways, that's besides the point. We're gonna go in there right now and zap all that hair off. So now I'm back in the car, and I kid you not, you guys, it's 4:49. 4:49. We started at 4:35 on the dot. She called me back there, and we did the thing. Very painful. For some reason, this time it was more painful than like any other session that I've ever had. Weird. But yeah, we got it done, and I checked out and walked back to my car literally in about 10 minutes. Now that that's done, we're gonna head home. All of the appointments are done for the day, and I'm gonna do a little mini clothing haul for you guys, and yeah, you'll see more whenever I get home. I am showered and ready to go to bed, but I wanted to do one last thing in this vlog, which is a little mini haul. In 2023, I really want to work on adding more basics to my wardrobe, so Skims and Aritzia are my two favorite places to go for that reason. And so I just got a few things from Skims and I wanted to show you guys really quick. So the first thing I got was this little purple tee. It's actually not cropped, which is rare for me. I feel like every t-shirt that I own is cropped or cut in some way. So I like that it's, you know, it covers everything. I really love the color. This type of purple, like a pastel kind of shade, and then like a really, really light pink. Those are my two favorite colors, fun fact. So I got this t-shirt. And then I actually made a mistake with this t-shirt. It's the same style and everything as the first one, but I thought that I got a gray t-shirt, just like a plain gray tee. Got it in the mail and it is fully metallic and very extra, which is not what I was expecting, obviously. At first I was like, oh no, I'm returning this, and then I accidentally threw away the packaging and we took out the trash earlier, so I can't really return this anymore, I don't think. And I actually went on TikTok live earlier and opened this and I was like, oh my god, what do I do, you guys? And people in the chat were like, wear it with like black jeans or like a black skirt and like tall black boots. So I was like, okay, that could be a vibe. And I feel like now that I'm 21, I might be going out a little bit more. So this could be like a cute going out outfit. I don't really know. And then I finally caved in and got the Skims dress in the pink color, and it's like a pink shimmery color. Kind of similar to the metallic, but not as metallic-y, obviously. I can definitely see myself wearing this dress during the summer or even in the spring with like some sort of jacket over, or like a cardigan, or I don't really know, like a knit sweater. I just had to get the Skims dress. I knew that I had to get it one day because I feel like everyone has it, so I really wanted to try it out. And I know earlier I said I wanted to get basics, and like these colors are definitely not basics colors, or at least they're not colors that you first think of whenever someone says they got some basics for their wardrobe. But I feel like I have a lot of white, that's for sure. And I'm starting to get a little too much black in my wardrobe as well. And I also have a lot of gray loungewear. I really want to kind of step out of that next year and just get some brighter colors. And the last thing that I got in this little Skims haul is this bodysuit. And it's supposed to be kind of like the Spanx bodysuit. The reason why I got this is because for New Year's Eve, I'm going to a party and I'm wearing a tighter fitted dress. And I feel like when I drink, especially, which I plan on doing on this night, I feel like I get very bloated and it starts to kind of make me feel a little self-conscious. So I was like, ooh, this could be a really great time to invest in a good, like, suck me in kind of piece. So at first I was gonna get a black one because the dress that I'm wearing for the party is black, but then I was like, I think I'm better off just getting a nude color because obviously I'm gonna wanna wear this a lot more than just one time. And if I get a black, you know, what if I'm wearing something lighter on top and it shows through? So yeah, that's also basically it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you guys want to see from me in 2023 here on my YouTube channel. I would really love to hear some feedback. Yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications. But you guys already know what to do. I know, you know. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.